Once it was just a van. This van has seen the world. Now, after decades on the road, it's time for a second life. This is the story of transformation. This isn't just a restoration, it's the beginning of a new adventure. After installing the new floor and building the metal frame to support the wall in the lower part of the kitchen area, we could finally attach the metal sheet from the outside. The decorative red trim was hiding completely rotten screws. The screws were almost impossible to remove. They had rusted through and were stuck inside. It felt like pulling out decayed teeth. After coating the new screws with ceramic anti-vibration paste, we screwed them in, replacing the old ones. Now we could safely continue working. More and more, we feel like doctors, removing the old and rotten, healing the patient piece by piece. We intentionally sanded down the lower edge of the metal, so it could be properly attached to the floor frame. To protect the bare metal on the outside, it needed a fresh coat of paint. And choosing the right color required a more delicate approach. Mandarin. I think this one looks pretty similar. Because this one is like really washed away and sanded away, I don't know. It's gone, the color. And here you can maybe see it more clear. Oh, that's pretty similar, no? Or this one. This one looks good. So the main color would be this snow. I have tried different one, but I think that this one is more pink. It has some pink undertone, and this one is a bit yellowish, so yeah, I think it's pretty good match, I hope. Yeah, I have tried to put it in different parts of the van, but it was covered with another layer of paint, so it's very difficult to say what was the original color, but I think that's it's kind of the cabin color. And for the stripes here, we have decided about this earth color, yeah, and for these darker brown ones, this one, yeah, I think it looks pretty similar to what it was. Yeah, I think we have our color palette here. We have chosen a 3-in-1 primer, paint and varnish. This is so good! I really like the tone. It is gorgeous. I love it. While the paint was drying outside, we continued working on the interior.
So we've made a frame here on the left side, but the wall is not attached still. Yeah. But we'll wait for it a little bit until we'll make it up to here, I guess, at least. And also the kitchen wall. Yeah, so you can see the aluminium frame. And yes, it's time to go here and to take out all of that rotten wood from the top. But first I'm gonna cover everything on the bottom, of course, because like I don't want this polystyrol or styropor, how is it called, whatever, to be all over the place.
These wooden structures weren't just screwed in, they were also secured with metal staples, which had to be cut off.
Another day. Today I'm gonna make the opposite wall. I hope the wall wouldn't fall off, but yeah, according to the yesterday experience with the kitchen wall, it's kinda standing still. The plan is to clear everything and then to fill in all the holes with filler and put the primer. This will be the program maximum for today. Okay, time for the time lapse. Let's go! We also are thinking about doing it in one shot and like to cover the roof also with the primer and fill all the holes and everything like this. But there is a solar panel on top. Yeah, so I had to install this support thanks to our new floor. Yeah.